Some customer asks, you always say that you had your own heat treatment processing workshop, but what does that have to do with your furnace? As the manufacturer of heat treatment furnace, we'll consider how to achieve technological innovation and upgrading of our furnace, making them more high-end and advanced than those of other suppliers. But as a user of the furnace, you'll discover the problems encountered during use, think about how to solve them, and strive to make the furnace more practical, durable, and easy to use. Our advantage is that we can not only design and upgrade our furnace from the aspect of technological renewal and iteration. We can also think, organize, and solve problems from the user's point of view, and apply them to the production and innovations of our furnaces. So our furnace is not only advanced but very practical because we are standing on users' shoes to think.